Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to buy PlayStation Plus on your PS5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So my PlayStation Plus membership has expired and I can't play any games. How would I go ahead and buy a new subscription on my PS5? Now, there's a couple different ways you can go ahead and get this. I have the PlayStation Plus icon just as one of my icons right here. I can go down to this, and I can go to subscribe and click on it here. And then I can pick between a 12-month, 3-month, and 1-month subscription. Now, PlayStation Plus may not be on your home screen, but if it is, just go to it. Otherwise, go over to the PlayStation Store and select this. Now at the top, use R1 and tab over to subscriptions. Right here on the top. And then go to Welcome to PlayStation Plus and select that. And it'll bring you to the same page. Go to Subscribe where it says Explore, then pick between your membership. I'm going to choose the 12-month membership for $59.99. Now, if you go ahead and do this when it's Christmas, there's usually a deal where it's $39.99, so that's the best time to buy a year's worth of PlayStation Plus and just do that reoccurring. So let's go to this and select it, and it says recurring subscription payment will be on when you go ahead and do this. So you'll have to go to settings, user accounts, payment, subscriptions to go ahead and turn off auto renew. So just heads up, this is going to charge your credit card next year at this time for another year of PlayStation Plus, unless you turn it off. So let's go to accept. Then I'm going to buy my PlayStation Plus subscription. I already have my credit card put in there. All I have to do is go to confirm purchase. So let's do that, and it's processing, and I have to enter in my password now. All right, so they emailed me my receipt, and I can return to the PlayStation Plus hub. And I can start downloading the games from the PlayStation Plus collection. I can get like 20 different games right away, ranging from Battlefield 1, I got Crash Bandicoot, God of War, etc. And then I can access my free games each month. This month it is Godfall, Lego, DC, Supervillains, etc. All you have to do is go to the free games each month right here, and you can get those games right away. So now let's turn off the auto renew. So let's go to settings and then go to users and accounts. And then let's go over to payments and subscriptions right here. Then go on down to subscriptions and we can manage PlayStation Plus. So here we have an option to turn off auto renew. So let's turn this off right now. And then go to turn it off. They're going to ask you again and choose an answer why you turned it off. I'm just going to choose other and press OK. And then it will tell you the date that your PlayStation Plus will turn off. Okay, so 1 of 3 of 2023. And then it should say turn on auto renew instead of turn off auto renew now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.